This is the Seaberry floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, one of the most versatile two-story homes we offer. The Seaberry is part of our Classic series with 3 to 6 bedrooms and nearly 3,500 square feet. There are multiple elevations to choose from with architectural styles from contemporary to classic with brick and stone combinations. And one of the distinct features of the Seaberry is the J-swing garage entry, giving the exterior a ton of curb appeal and function. Inside, you have the option of having a formal dining room in the front of the home, or you can opt for a mini garage. On the other side of the foyer is the study with double doors and the closet, and this space can also flex as another bedroom. One of the highlights is the kitchen and family room with soaring ceiling and wall of windows all the way up, as well as the optional floor-to-ceiling fireplace. The kitchen in the Seaberry is amazing. It's spacious with a generous granite island overlooking the family room, as well as an oversized breakfast nook with a built-in window seat. It's a fresh, clean look that people want. Now add in the convenient butler's pantry that connects to the formal dining room, as well as a large walk-in pantry, and it offers all of the style and function you could want. And it opens up to the included back covered patio. The primary suite with tray ceiling and window seat gives you a real sense of privacy and luxury. The bathroom has an L-shaped dual vanity with granite countertops, as well as a separate garden tub and shower with an option for an extended shower along with a walk-in closet. Upstairs, a large game room that overlooks the family room below, as well as 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms, or swap out a bedroom for a separate media room. It's all about personalizing the home to fit your needs. And with more standard features at the base price than any other builder, you won't find a better value than what the Seaberry offers. Come and visit one of our model homes today and see if the versatile and stylish Seaberry is the right fit for you.